Bom dia, I'm Yann-Olivier Hay, biochemist with a PhD in Science of Matter with a specialization in essential oils. I invite you to join us for the 9th International Phytocosmetic and Phytotherapy Congress in Brazil. During this event, we'll share information about ethnobotany, phytotherapy, analytical techniques, and different topics related to the research and development of natural products. It will be my pleasure to have you join me for the aromatherapy workshop that I will be conducting during the Congress. This workshop will include valuable information about essential oils, their properties, origin, precautions, and medicinal applications in various therapeutical fields. Looking forward to have you with us in Brazil between the 27th and 29th of November. Thank you.